Hi, and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name's Darren, and this channel is about backpacking, gear reviews, and finding your next adventure. In today's video, we're here reviewing the first look at the Cyclami Tiny Pump for bike tires and sporting equipment balls. This is a tiny pump that can pump up your bike tires, and I'm here to review it, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, if you've ever been stranded with a flat tire and no way to pump it up, you know the struggle. Today we're checking out the Cyclami Mini Pump. It's a compact and portable solution that might just be your next EDC essential. So let's see if it lives up to its hype. The Cyclami Mini Pump is designed for portability. It's lightweight at 110 grams, made from a durable aluminum alloy, and fits easily in a backpack, sling, or even a bike jersey pocket. Another cool feature is the built-in pressure gauge with LED lighted, so you don't have to guess if you're pumping up enough air, and it has a max pressure of 120 psi. It's got a dual valve system for both Presta and Schrader valves, which means you can use it on the road bikes, mountain bikes, or even scooters. No adapter needed. Alright, I'm here today testing out the Cyclami tire pressure pump. It has it's pretty loud. I liked the plastic or rubber case around it because it does get warm. It takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes to, this tire was, I would say at about 30 psi, and it took about a minute or two to pump it up to about 100 psi. It does have different nozzle attachments, as I've shown in my unboxing. Take this little piece off. This top part is like kind of like a ventilation heat sink, so this top part gets kind of pretty warm, but I liked it because it has a digital display. It shows you the battery power, the PSI, and then you can adjust the PSI level. On this one, this max it out at 120 PSI, which is nice for the road tires. It's got a USB-C charging port on the bottom. I haven't tested out fully as far as how many times it can pump up a tire, but just in a pinch. I bought this because normally I usually carry a CO2 cartridge, which is like a one-time fill on one of my bike tires, but now with this I can probably inflate it a couple times. I mean, it still has that, high pitch noise when it's on, because just the form factor of this is pretty small. It's like a little bit smaller than a deck of cards, I would say, and probably a little heavier than, I'll put the description and the specs of this tiny pump. But this one is like more high pressured for, I'd say like basketball, soccer ball, footballs. It'll inflate bike tires, which I primarily got it for something I can just throw it in my back pocket or in my little cassette and pouch in the back of my seat. So on those bike rides, I can take this, just make sure it's charged. USB-C, it comes with a bunch of different nozzles and a needle for sports balls or any type of inflation type thing that requires a higher PSI than a normal like sleeping pad if you're camping. So I just picked this up on AliExpress for around $30. It's Cyclami. Now there are more expensive bike pumps like this, but I like the form factor. I like the digital display that's on this side, because when you're putting it on the nozzle, you can kind of read it on the top. Some digital displays are like right here in the front, which are kind of hard to read unless you're putting it up on the nozzle. It just depends on your angle. I do like the nice rubberized case that it comes in, because the unit, again, gets pretty hot. So that's my first impressions of the Cyclami portable tire pump. So what do you think? Would you carry the Cyclami Mini Pump in your bike kit? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear reviews. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and let's find your next adventure.